Good morning, everyone, and thank you for attending today's webinar. My name is John McLeish, and I am going to be chairing the program today. This program is being put on by the Personal Injury Alliance. There's been a lot of changes since June 1st, 2016, and this program is titled A Year in Review, Understanding the Impact of the SABS changes, and the purpose of the program is to help us all make it a little easier to do our jobs and make us more effective. Just before I get into the details of the program, I would like to tell you about the next conference put on by the Personal Injury Alliance, and that is the Back to School Conference that is being held on Thursday, September 28th, and again at the Carlu. The format today is going to be that the panelists talk for approximately 10 minutes, and you can ask any questions that you have. You'll see at the bottom of your screen a place to ask questions. We will do our best to answer them during the program, but if we can't, we will then send out an email after the program with the answers. If you can't stay for the whole program, or you know someone that wants to see the program and can't make it today, the program is being recorded, and it should be up on the PIA website in approximately 24 days or so. So it'll be up there for the duration for those who can't have not been able to attend today to attend. So I would now like to introduce our panelists, and I'm going to start with Brenda Power to my right. Brenda is an occupational therapist with a company called Solutions for Living. She is a co-owner of that company with Julie Entwistle, and she is also a CAT assessor. Brenda is going to discuss understanding the CAT definitions and how she can help all of us have our clients better meet the definition and generally work with the new system in place since June 1st. Another panelist to my far left is Benson Callen. Benson is the head of legal services for the Safety, Licensing Appeals, and Standards Tribunals. You ask what that is. That is the overseer for 5 adjudicative tribunals, one of which is the Licensing Appeals Tribunal, which we all affectionately know as the LAT. And Benson is going to give us an overview of the LAT process, again, with a view to helping all of us work better and more effectively within the new system. And of course, the LAT is the new dispute resolution system. A third panelist to my left is Brian Cameron. Brian is a partner at Oatley Vigmond, one of the other law firms with the Personal Injury Alliance. Brian is going to discuss with us how to prepare ourselves to go through the LAT process from application to case conference to hearing. And the fourth and final panelist to my far right is Steve Berman. Steve is a partner with Thomson Rogers, the other firm with the Personal Injury Alliance. And Steve is going to discuss with us, there's been a number of cases coming out of the LAT in the last year. Steve is going to discuss with us some of the more important decisions that the LAT has come out with. So without further ado, we will get started with Brenda.